Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I will review this Violet doll from The Incredibles 2, show you how I gave her bare hands, which outfit she fits, and how I made this really easy force field for pictures. I just got this package from the Disney store that includes Violet and the Tangled the Series 2-pack that I got for an upcoming project. Violet comes in this simple window box with a picture of the doll on the back. After taking her out of the box, the hair was a little bit messy, but it has a lovely color. There's some product in the front of her hair, but the rest feels really soft. The orange headband she wears is removable since it velcros in the back. Violet's black gloves pop off, and underneath her black shoes she has bare feet. Violet has articulation in the neck, shoulder, elbows, wrists, and she moves at the hip and the knees. The legs of this doll are so poseable that she can even do the split. Violet also comes with her mask that has a silicone layer on the back, which makes it stick to her face really well. It will even survive the best fighting scenes and hair flips. Violet's eyes are really pretty and they look like they're glass eyes. Now, let's take a closer look at the body. Violet's body is really unique, but does have those black painted hands. I didn't really want to lose the uniqueness of the body by body swapping this doll, so I searched for an alternative option to give her bare hands. And then I came across a Disney store body that I don't use anymore. After popping off these hands, the handbag was too long to fit Violet's body. So I just cut off the tip of the handbag, which made it fit perfectly. It can be easily removed, but it's secure enough to hold it all by your hands. To experiment with these new hands a little bit, I wanted to try on some outfits on her, starting with the outfit from Ever After High's Cerise hood. As you can see, the outfit fits pretty well, except for the shirt that doesn't completely close in the back. The pants are a little short, but they do fit. These Monster High shoes are a little big on her feet, but they do stay on. I also wanted to try this Bratz outfit, of which the top fitted pretty well. However, I was unable to fit the jeans over the feet. To take some really cool pictures of Violet, I thought it would be fun to try and recreate a force field for her. For this quick project, I used the clear plastic from doll packaging. I rinsed the plastic in water to remove as much of the cardboard edges as possible. Then I cut the plastic in a rounded shape. I take my hot glue gun to create some designs on the edges and mix some paint to make all the edges purple. Then I dip my brush in water to create an ombre effect, working my way to the middle of the plastic. Finally, I glue on several toothpicks to make sure I'm able to push it into the ground for easier photography. And you're done! I really hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more pictures of my dolls, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, @TheDollBoy. See you next time!